Gathering raw materials. The silk from various vendors are bought here for dyeing. The small raw silk bundles are removed to form large bundles for further processing. Each silk bundle weighs approximately 1 kg. Preparing silk fabric. Now, the accumulated bundles are taken to soak in water to remove any dirt, oils, or finishes to make sure the fabric is clean. This process enables smoothing of silk, which also helps the silk to absorb more dye evenly during dyeing. The soaked bundles are now loosened and hanged on the poles for dyeing. Preparing the dye bath. Here, a kiln is used to boil the water continuously inside boiler. The dye bath is prepared by mixing hot water with the color to be dyed in a proper water to dye ratio, and it is stirred thoroughly to ensure the dye is fully dissolved and evenly distributed. Next, a sample of color mixture is poured on the silk to ensure the required color is achieved. Dyeing the silk fabric. Post the color is matched, the damp silk bundles are submerged into the dye bath for dyeing. Here, the silk fabric is rotated for complete coverage. The fabric is continuously lifted and rotated at short intervals for even color distribution. Now, the fabric is checked for its color. If required, the dye is added again to achieve the desired color. The same procedure is followed again and again for full color penetration. Depending upon the intensity of the required color, the silk fabric is left in the bag. Silk rinsing. Once the desired color is achieved, the fabric is carefully plunged and removed from the dye bath. The fabric is then thoroughly rinsed in cold water to remove any excess dye. Rinsing is done multiple times until the leftover dye is washed out. Drying. The bundles are then put into centrifugal dryers. This dryer uses spinning force to remove excess water from the fabric without wrinkling it, as silk is delicate and can lose its shape. In the meanwhile, the dye bath is again prepared for next colors. The partially dried bundles are then removed from dryer and taken to drying area. Here, the bundles are stretched and loosely hanged on the pole. The fabric is hanged under a shaded area to dry, avoiding direct sunlight, as this can cause the colors to fade. The fabric is left to dry for 2 to 3 days to ensure thorough drying, which enhances silk smoothness, shine, and texture. The dried fabrics are removed from the poles and are stacked up for packaging. Packaging. Each fabric is carefully knotted to prevent the tangling of silk fibers until it is processed into finished cloth. The knotted bundles are sorted and then safely packed. The package is then delivered to respective vendors.